64 to the power x is equal to x to the power 192. We have to find the value of x. Can you solve this? Pause the video and let me know your answer in the comment section. And also, how did you solve it? We can use two methods to solve it. Let's do it with the easiest one. Now, here we have a number as a base and a variable as an exponent, while on the right hand side we have a variable as the base and number as an exponent. So we want to keep variables one side and numbers one side so that we can find the value of the variable x. For that, let's raise both the sides to the power of 1 upon 192x. In that case, we will have 64 raised to the power x whole raised to the power of 1 upon 192x is equal to x raised to the power of 192 whole raised to the power of 1 upon 192x. Now we know when a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n, this is equal to a raised to the power m times n. So this will be 64 raised to the power x times 1 upon 192x is equal to x raised to the power 192 times 1 upon 192x. 192 and 192 gets cancelled. Here x and x gets cancelled. Now this is 64 raised to the power of 192 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x. Now 64 we can write it as 4 raised to the power of 3 then times 1 upon 192 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x, or 192 divided by 3 is 4 raised to the power of 1 upon 64 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x. Now this exponent 1 upon 64, equivalent fraction for 1 upon 64, we can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. We can get equivalent fraction. 1 upon 64 is equal to 2 upon 128. So here we can write 4 raised to the power of 1 upon 64 as 4 raised to the power of 2 upon 128 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x, or this we can also write it as 4 raised to the power of 2 times 1 upon 28, and when a raised to the power of m times n, this we can write it as a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n. So this we can write it as 4 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power of 1 upon 28, 1 upon 128 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x. 4 square is 16. Then 1 upon 128, the equivalent fraction is 2 upon 256 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x, or this we can write 16 square raised to the power of 1 upon 256 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x. 16 square is 256 raised to the power of 1 upon 256 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 upon x. Now there is a rule, if a raised to the power of a is equal to b raised to the power of b, then a is equal to b. That means x is equal to 256. So this is our answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.